Hello everyone. Today we are going to do space complexity. Okay. So what is a space complexity? That is a order of growth of RAM or memory space in terms of input size. While in previous video we did the time complexity. What is a time complexity? Time complexity is order of growth of time taken by an algorithm in terms of input size. For example, we have a program int getsum. Getsum is the method name. Int n, that is a parameter. Then it is returning n into n plus 1 by 2, which is a constant. Okay, which is a constant. So the space complexity will be O of 1. Okay. Next, we have a program that is int getsum2 int n. Getsum2 is a method name. Then we have int sum is equal to 0. Then there is a for loop. Then sum is equal to sum plus I. Then return sum. So the time complexity will be O of n because there is a for loop that is from 0 to n. But if we talk about the space complexity, when n will be the 1000 or when n will be 1 million, there will be only three variables. One is the sum variable, second I, and 3. So there will always be three variables. So the space complexity is 1. O of 1. O of 1. Okay. Now the third example, we have int array sum. Then we have two parameters. One is the array and the other one is the size of the array. Then int sum is equal to 0. Then there is a for loop. Then sum is equal to sum plus array I, return sum. So what will be the space complexity? Space complexity will be On. There is a small trick. Whenever there is array considered, the space complexity is always On. Now we have the topic that is auxiliary space complexity, which is the most important topic. It is much more important as compared to the space complexity. So it is an order of growth of extra space or temporary space in terms of input size. Okay. There is a program int array sum, int array and int n, then int sum is equal to 0, for loop sum is equal to sum plus array I, then return sum. So the auxiliary space will be 1. Okay, so why the auxiliary space will be 1? Because there is no extra space taken. Okay, and the space complexity will be On because I already told you when array is considered, the space complexity is always On. Now we have another program that is int fun, method name int n. If n is less than equal to 0, return 0, else return n plus fun of n minus 1. Okay, so how it will work? So for example, I need to find the value of fun 5. Okay, so fun 5 is less than equal to 0, no, so it will come to this statement. It will fun 4 will be 4, sorry, fun 5 will be 5 plus fun 4. Now the fun 4 will be, now the fun 4 method will be called, so fun 5 will go into the stack. Similarly, then fun 4 will be called, the fun3 will go into the stack, then fun3 will go into the stack, then fun2 will go into the stack, then fun1 will go into the stack. Finally, when we will reach to fun0, 0 is less than equal to 0, so we get the value of fun0 is equal to 0. So basically there are n plus 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is fun0. So basically there is n plus 1 complexity. But whenever you find the space complexity, we will ignore the leading constant, so n will be left. So the auxiliary space complexity as well as the space complexity will be O1. Next we have Fibonacci series. We already did whenever we need to find the nth element in the Fibonacci series. Okay, so int fib int n, if n is equal to 0, return 0, if n is equal to 1, return 1, else return fib of n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2. Okay, so the space complexity will be O of n, as well as the auxiliary space complexity will be O of n. So by this we end our lecture. So thank you very much.